Hi everyone, this is Ogilzam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this beautiful look from an old wig, guys. It was an old wig. It was not easy, but you know your girl. I did what I do best, guys. I did what I can do best, which is doing hair. So please stay tuned. Please stay, guys. I hope you like and enjoy my video. Yeah, you see, guys, what I did. Yo, that wig was old. Can you see, guys? Yo, it was stressing me out, but anyway, I did what I do best. To all my returning subscribers, I thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate. For all those who are new, I say welcome to the family. I hope you stay and enjoy my video. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is a girl's trying her best, sweating, trying to resurrect this week, guys, because it was stressing me out. Yo, there we go. Yo, this week it was stressing me out. I just finished washing it off camera. I couldn't record it on the camera because it was not easy for me. It was old. It took all my energy, this one. So yeah, I'm trying to iron it, trying to straighten it, yeah, so that to look nice, guys. I'm trying to resurrect the wig. Oh guys, so please guys, I hope you enjoy, I hope you like and love my video. So please don't forget to comment, guys. That will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Just to press that button, subscribe, just to press it is for free, guys. I would really appreciate it, please. I would really appreciate. So let's stay tuned and enjoy this video. Please stay, yeah, so that our family, our channel will grow, guys. You know what, guys, I wish to talk to you, like I wish to do a normal video, like I talk to you guys direct. I do a video talking to you, like, you know, direct. But yo guys, where I stay, if you know Josie, you know Josie. Where I stay, guys, there's a lot of noise, too much noise. Yo, it's pity, you get it, Josie? Yo, there's a lot of noise. I can't record, like, speaking to you guys. I wish, but I can't. But I promise one day I'll do that, guys. So yeah, let's get to the video. I hope, guys, you enjoy this video. I hope you like it. Please stay, Yep. So here I go with my wax stick. I apply it. Then after that, I use my hot iron to flatten my closure. Yeah, so this wax stick, guys, is very good because to make your hair to behave. Your hair will behave, I'm telling you. You see my iron, I put it on high, 500, guys. Yeah, if you iron it, your hair must behave. Yeah, let's continue watching, guys.